All right, Improvisation Center back again with another little side project of ours, and that is a Coleman go-kart. And you've probably seen these things in Walmart or in similar places, but it's a fairly good-sized machine, really intended for two kids to ride or two very small adults. But ideally, it's good for probably one full-size adult like myself. But anyway, what we got going on here is the idea that it's got a broken drive belt and a broken clutch on the engine side. This is one of those torque converter clutches that it varies in its width to grab the belt as the engine revs up, compared to a regular centrifugal clutch that just spins out and grabs the drum. But the portion of the torque converter that bolts to the engine pretty much was seized up and more or less trash. But yeah, ordered another one. I did actually get both sides because I wasn't sure if the other one might need to be replaced as well, but the one that we are replacing is the engine side right there. And we'll try everything out. Of course, I got a new belt too, but we'll go ahead and try everything out after putting the engine side on, see how everything works, and hopefully be lucky enough to not need to replace the actual torque converter side or the axle side of the setup. So gonna go ahead and get started with that. See how this thing actually goes together. This whole piece here can be taken apart, but we don't need it to come apart. We just need it to go on. But to help make things a little bit easier, I'm gonna actually put the belt on with this thing. See if we can manage this. Yeah, it's gonna be a little difficult here trying to keep everything where it needs to be. So what we're actually gonna do is take it apart. We're gonna slide on one end first. There we go. Put that side on, get the belt on, maybe. Gonna work this thing around. Let's see if we can get the rest of it on. See, this part here all moves. Looking at it, it should slide in and out, and the more this closes in, that taper changes and grabs the belt. Take all this back off. Get the belt back situated again. This is a little piece similar to this piece here that holds that side of the clutch on. But because they gave us a new one, I'm going to use the new one. simple little thing. Fits into the keyway portion of this hub so it doesn't spin around. Got that on. Go ahead and get a socket, tighten it up. Okay, that's all tightened up. As you can see, installation was pretty straightforward, just sliding the belt on over that inner half and then putting the outer one on, locking it in place with that little hub piece bolted down. Everything looks like it should be. Now we're going to try to see if everything works. Go ahead and start it up. As you can see, when I tried to work the throttle, it immediately jumped up. And yeah, that is the Dodge in the background, but not to worry, we did not make contact. But at the same time, we also determined that our clutch works. So now my next move is going to be to try to get this thing outside where I can test it out for sure. All right, got us a clear shot outside. Let's do it again. Technical difficulties. Come on, you bastard. Now this engine is being stupid.
You're too big.
No,
the whole way down, that's how you was doing the dragging this thing. You're too heavy.
the damn engine is dragging shit.
Don't jump in my car, I'm gonna bust your fucking skull.
We got plenty of gas.
Start it up and let's see if I can get it back home. Or up there, that is.
Fucking carburetor is shit.
Do you have enough?
Well, either the carburetor is being flaky, which it was, and or the go-kart doesn't like me all too well. So, yeah, I'll be driving the main car back up and checking out to see what the deal is as far as why we're having an issue like we've had. I'll probably end up getting another carburetor anyway, but yeah, the go-kart didn't like me all too well, and if perception is an indicator, you can kind of see it really wasn't moving all too fast down the driveway, even though I was kind of going slightly downhill. So yeah, we've got more work to do. So yeah, I'm gonna return back up so I could help her put the go-kart into the garage, and we'll continue from there. Okay, that was kind of embarrassing. That was actually rather embarrassing to have the damn go-kart reject me. So, yeah. Till the next time. Till the next time. We were gonna get some more work done on this thing.